So man, it is getting ugly out there. Just as we predicted 6 weeks ago, the SpaceX IPO is well on track to being the biggest liquidity trap rug pull in stock market history. Raised $75 billion, pumped 50% in 3 days, and right now, as I'm filming, it just dropped below its IPO price, sitting at just $135. The biggest IPO in history just went negative, and around $850 billion in market value has been erased. Now here's why it matters for every AI company lining up behind it. SpaceX was supposed to be that opening act that proved that the market has an appetite for trillion-dollar AI companies. OpenAI was supposed to be next, then Anthropic, then DeepSeek. The whole AI funny money IPO parade was all giddy and lined up, ready to go. And then boom, looks like it rained on that parade. OpenAI, which filed an IPO in June targeting a $1 trillion valuation, just quietly delayed to 2027. The advisors looked at SpaceX chart and got cold feet for good reason. OpenAI is losing $14 billion a year and needs the public markets just to keep the lights on. But you can't price this thing at $1 trillion when the last mega IPO just went negative. Now here's where it gets really interesting. My favorite AI, Anthropic, is still pushing towards that October listing at a $965 billion valuation, and they just started investor meetings with Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and JP Morgan all on board. They want to beat OpenAI to the public market and lock their valuation before that window closes completely. But there's a problem. Anthropic just committed $100 billion to AWS and $200 billion to Google Cloud. This means they're also burning money at a staggering, unsustainable pace. And again, the only way these numbers work is if the public investors show up and fund this thing. I would wager right now that October won't even happen for Anthropic. Unfortunately, the everyone screw retail pattern we've been watching all year just keeps playing out in real time. Companies going public at astronomical valuations, retail buying at the top, insiders cashing out, and the bills coming due the moment the lockup period expires. SpaceX just proved that IPO bubble has big cracks. I'll keep watching this for you guys, but watch October very carefully because the games they are playing with our money is getting very dangerous.